My name is ruhez. You're watching my channel Techmerize. Hello friends, today Xiaomi have officially launched Redmi Note 7 Pro in India. This is the global launch of the phone and there were speculations and leaks about the phone. So let's put that to rest. From the specification of the phone, this seems to be a real game changer under 15,000 rupees segment. Since it's official, let's look at the phone. The phone have a 6.3-inch Full HD display. The screen is an LCD, they're calling it as LTPS in-cell screen and claims to be very superior LCD screen. In the camera department, the phone comes with a dual camera setup in the back with a flagship level chip Sony IMX586, which can give a massive 48 megapixel and have a 5 megapixel depth sensor. We have a 13 megapixel front camera shooter. The performance of this setup needs to be seen on the action, so I cannot comment on that right now. The phone have a glass body with a gradient back. The front and back of the phone is protected using Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes in 3 color variants. It holds a Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. For those who likes to use your phone as a remote, they have included an IR blaster in the phone. If you compare this phone with its predecessor Redmi Note 6 Pro, I would say it is a real upgrade. They have used a brand new processor, Snapdragon 675. This is faster than the Snapdragon 636 used in Redmi Note 6 Pro. And it is also faster than Snapdragon 660, Snapdragon 710 and the Exynos processor used in Samsung M series lineup. The battery in this phone is a 4000 mAh battery, same as Redmi Note 6 Pro. But with new processor Snapdragon 675 and the LCD screen technology, it will give more battery backup than what it had given in Redmi Note 6 Pro. Now let's talk about the pricing of this phone. The phone comes in two variants, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The 4GB RAM variant comes for 13,999 and the 6GB RAM variant comes for 16,999. And the first sale of the phone will be from 12 noon 13th March 2019. It will be available in mi.com, Mi Home and Flipkart. As per the CEO of Realme 3, it is expected to launch very soon. So let's wait and see how that fares against Redmi Note 7 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any query regarding the content of the video, make sure to ask that in the comment below. And for your information, there is a lot of effort goes into making these videos. So I'll greatly appreciate if you can subscribe and show your support. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye, see you on the next video.